Imagine waking up on a freezing cold morning, turning the key in your diesel truck, and nothing. It just cranks and cranks, or maybe it starts but runs rougher than a tractor with a bad cold. If your check engine light is staring back at you, chances are you are dealing with code P2609. This is a classic powertrain trouble code that points directly to a performance issue in your intake air heater system. Now, if you're driving a Chevy or GMC Duramax, a Ford Powerstroke, or especially a Dodge Ram with the Cummins engine, listen up because this is super common for you guys. Basically, diesel engines do not use spark plugs like gas engines do. They rely on compression and heat to ignite the fuel. When it's cold outside, the air intake heater acts like a massive hair dryer for your engine, warming up the incoming air so combustion can actually happen. When the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, realizes this heater system isn't doing its job correctly, it throws this code. You might also see related codes like P0540 or P2604, but they all point to the same family of problem. The symptoms are pretty annoying. Aside from the hard starting and that illuminated engine light, you might notice white smoke from the exhaust during startup, or the engine might even stall out on you. So what is actually breaking here? The system is made up of a heating element, a relay to switch it on, a temperature sensor, and big wires to carry the current. Usually the culprit is the heater element relay, or the element itself just burning out after years of cycling on and off. Sometimes it's just corrosion on the heavy gauge wiring connectors, because these things draw a lot of power. To fix this, do not just throw parts at it blindly. First, check your technical service bulletins, because manufacturers release updates for this stuff all the time. If you're going to get your hands dirty, start by checking the basics. Is the heater element actually turning on? You can use a scanner to command it on or check for voltage. But here's a massive safety warning from me to you. Do not touch that heater element or the heat shield while testing. It gets incredibly hot instantly and will burn you bad. If you're getting power to the relay but not out of it, replace the relay. If power gets to the element but it does not heat up, your element is toast. Also, check the air ducts. If the airflow is blocked, the sensor readings will be way off. For most of you, swapping out the relay or the heater element assembly is going to clear this right up and get that diesel firing up instantly again on those cold mornings.